Over the years, Qatar's strategic location has been perceived as a strategic Middle East service center and hydrocarbon hub to provide energy solutions to the world.
من التنمية المستدامة وتطوير اقتصادنا الوطني وتنويع مصادره تأتي دائما في مقدمة أولوياتنا، وفي هذا المجال فقد استمرت الدولة في توسعة وتنويع استثماراتها العالمية من خلال عقد شراكات استراتيجية واستثمارات تجارية مع عدد من دول العالم في مجال البتروكيماويات والغاز والطاقة ومعامل التكرير ومحطات الغاز الطبيعي المسال.
Qatar's natural resources have been extensively tapped on the way to establishing the country's economy as one of the richest and strongest in the region. In recent years, Qapco has remained on the cutting edge of business and technology under the grand vision of His Highness the Emir Sheikh Hamad bin Khalifa Al Thani and His Highness the Heir Apparent Sheikh Tamim bin Hamad Al Thani.
In the last 2 decades, Qatar has made giant strides not only in extracting natural gas, but also in processing the gas. We have steadily been building a portfolio of companies that manufacturing diverse hydrocarbon-based products. And today, Qatari companies are exporting everything from fertilizers and fuel additives to several different varieties of plastic and petrochemicals. Converting the extracted natural gas into polyethylene and other compounds creates synergies that build tremendous value in Qatar's petrochemical industry, which is the foundation of our flourishing economy.
Qatar Petrochemical Company, Qapco, a joint venture between Industries Qatar IQ and Total Petrochemical, was founded in 1974 and started its commercial production in 1981 as a subsidiary of Industries Qatar IQ to make most of the wasted gases resulted from the oil production. Qapco is well known as a pioneering company introducing ethylene, low-density polyethylene, and sulfur.
Total's historical relationship with Qatar goes all the way back to 1974, when we started collaborating with Qatar Petroleum on the Qapco project. We've since remained close partners in Qatar's hydrocarbon sector, particularly with Qapco. The LDPE-3 project is a continuation of our long and productive business relationship. We are proud to be part of yet another mega project in Qatar, and we look forward to many more decades of growth and progress together.
To cope with new challenges in the region, and in line with Qatar National Vision 2030, Qapco has developed a tactical approach to fulfill these goals.
To boost our business process and cope with the changing market conditions, Qapco has deployed 5-year strategic business plan with defined objectives and performance measure where our business units are aligned with Qapco vision and strategic direction.
Qapco's global marketing and sales network already serves more than 4,500 customers in 85 countries. 26 regional offices supported by 3 regional warehouses, all united in the common goal of delivering Qapco's polymer wherever and whenever the customer requires.
With the emergence of the GCC as the world petrochemical production hub, Qapco has realized and pursued excellence in customer service before and after sales as the most competitive advantage. If they don't come to us, we go to them.
The giant sales and global market network is only the tip of the iceberg. Production facilities for these quantities are one of the best in the world.
Currently, the low-density polyethylene is produced on 2 production lines, which together produce accumulated quantity beyond 400,000 tons of polymer per year. These 2 lines are based both on tubular and vessel reactor technology. This already makes Qapco one of the largest suppliers of low-density polyethylene in the region from a single site. However, the new line will increase production by an additional 300,000 tons per year. which will lead a total production of 700,000 tons of low-density polyethylene still from a single site, making Qapco one of the largest low-density polyethylene production sites in the industry.
Qapco, as the first and the leader in the petrochemical industry in Qatar, has also participated in the new ventures that will further boost Qatar as a major petrochemical supplier.
After the first startup of Qapco in 1981, Qapco did participate and execute the following projects: ethylene plant expansion number 1 and LDB2, Qatar Vinyl Company, ethylene plant expansion number 2, Qatofin and Ras Laffan Olefin Company, LDB3, which is expected to be ready for a startup end of 2011. The total investment Qapco did spend from 96 until mid of 2009 is about $2.3 billion.
Qapco's conscientious effort to have the best practices in the industry is manifested in its high concern at fully mitigating risk assessments. Measures such as centralization of control rooms and upgrading control rooms' numerical control systems with the latest state-of-the-art technology are Qapco's utmost priorities. Along all 3 LDPE production lines, one of the most critical factors is quality control. From the composition of the resin to its strength, thickness, flexibility, and color, all parameters are closely monitored by a team of expert engineers to ensure that the end product conforms to the highest standards. Qapco has been awarded several ISO certifications in recognition of the quality of its operations.
At every stage along the production line, rigid quality control tests are performed.